Hello everyone, welcome back to the Syntax Technology channel. Wow, how time flies when you're having fun. It's been a couple of weeks since my last video. How have you guys been? Most of you would have heard of the increasingly disruptive and transformational technological concept called the Internet of Things, or the IoT. I imagine that if you're watching this channel, you are very likely to have a whole lot more knowledge and gravitas about the IoT than regular folks. Gravitas, tell me about it. The Internet of Things and the Internet of Everything, IoE, are closely related technology ideas. Essentially, the IoE is more encompassing as it goes beyond devices or things, or to include people, processes, and data. Cisco, the global computer networking giant, reported in 2013 that the IoE will provide a $19 trillion opportunity globally over 10 years. $19 trillion. That's a mind-boggling figure. Cisco also reported that the private sector could create over $14 trillion of that value. Okay, so let's step back. $14 trillion from what? From the Internet of Things. So what is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things is a network of connected everyday devices that communicate with each other and take action in view of changes in the environment and in response to commands from other devices anywhere in the world. Make sense? For our purposes today, we will not make much of a distinction between the IoT, Internet of Things, and the IoE, Internet of Everything. So, a couple of simple examples, okay? If you make your home smart by, for instance, installing a smart air conditioner that is web enabled, and if you install the IFTT app on your smartphone, then your air conditioner could be set up to communicate with your phone and figure out when you're on your way home, so that it can set itself to put itself on and set itself to a given temperature that you prefer for your comfort, waiting for your arrival. Imagine also a connected traffic light system that autonomously monitors live traffic conditions and adjusts the lights in real time to accommodate changes in traffic patterns, live changes in traffic patterns across connected junctions, and ensure the smooth flow of traffic. Boy, do we need such a traffic system in Lagos? You bet. Another simple example is, simply the ability to control the lights in your home, your garage door, your main gate, your coffee machine, from anywhere in the world. Each of these examples is available somewhere in the world right now. Indeed, the technology is available in Nigeria today. We quote Cisco again. Cisco estimates that by 2020, and that's just 3 years from today, there will be over 50 billion IoT devices in the world. 50 billion connected devices. Just imagine that. And think about it. Over 50 billion refrigerators, cars, shoes, watches, clothes, doors, coffee machines, gates, and other everyday devices will be connected to the internet, will be connected to the human being and able to react to changes in our bodies and in the environment, and take action in the real world and communicate with our doctors and hospitals and so on and so forth. That is awesome. So ask yourself, how are you going to be involved in this disruptive and transformational technological change? Are you informed enough to be an active player? I believe that there are lots of opportunities in Nigeria in this space as our data networks become more and more reliable and the cost of data access continue to plummet in a competitive market. So the question remains, are you going to be a player or a spectator? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation about getting better informed and active in the technology of the Internet of Everything, or the Internet of Things. That's it for the week, and if there's something you want to talk about, then mention it below and we will talk about it. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe below to this channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So click the button right now. Go ahead, yes, click it, subscribe, and see you next week. Bye bye.